I'm going to be a little bent out of shape, folks. I just did all that recording and I wasn't recording. But here goes Harry and Jaron. The 100cc guys caught up with Harry. Harry's running second in Unlimited. Boy, I hope I got... So there was a good long 20-minute clip of video that had some good action in it, and I know you can't see all the way over there anyway, but we got the Cohen brother blowing up and parking his cart, and some other exciting things going on down here, but I don't know that the darn camera was recording. Well, that'll make me mad. Beautiful day here at Grattan. Look at the old, I don't know what that is. That's a, it's not an Emic, it's maybe, what is it? Come on, Robert, you're drawing a blank. Whatever. It's got the stallion nose cone on it, man. It's an older cart, older bodywork. Whoever that is, that thing's running. He's running right there with Amanda Haluski, and they're both ahead of Patty. Those are all new carts with modern carts with new bodywork and stuff. This guy's out there with I think it's an Invader. That's it, an Invader cart, I think, with old school bodywork on it. And that Yamaha was running. He's got on that thing. Maybe it's not a Yamaha, maybe it's a piston port. It looks like it's got the same pipe on it though, so I'm not exactly sure. We'll hop on down and take some video here too at the end. He's running right around the outside of the corner, trying to stay off of all the bumps, which I don't blame him. He's got a lap on everybody in his class. So. Man, when you in carts that are that evenly matched, if somebody gets a gap on you like that, it's so hard to bring it back, you know? Especially when it's hot and you're tired already and working hard. This guy came from nowhere. I think he must have either had a problem at the start and started late or something. That cart hadn't been running around up here at all. There's Jaron. He got around Harry. What happened to Harry? Harry's gone. I hear it. Is this in here? Nope. Harry is out. Out of the race. So two of the Wests are out. Jaron, the only one still running. Well, yeah, this one's not shifting gears, so. Wow. Jaron was right behind him, so I don't think we could have missed him. That cart has oh, did he spin off? He did. Oh, the junior kid's off in the sand trap over here. And the other guy must be on the other side of this this embankment of grass here, around turn one. He's off the track somewhere. I thought I heard the tires skidding, and this guy's still waving the flag. No, he must be off over here. We're gonna hop down, folks, and take a look. I don't want to jump though. Here we go. Now the junior kid's over there. He must be on the other side. Yeah, he's on the other side over here. You can see the carts disappear behind this earth embankment here, turn 1. He must be trying to pull her off the track. The flag is no longer waving, so sorry about the microphone. Yeah, it's got a Comet sticker. It looks like it's got a Yamaha on it, though. It's not a piston port. I mean, you know. Well, we had a nice 3-way run going for the lead of that controlled race. But they seem to, all 3 of them have spread evenly out now, so. And this guy, he just rides the brakes like a MFer, man. It's got to be hard as hell on a damn clutch. You don't hear him bat down through none of this. He just rides the foot on the gas, foot on the brakes. It sounds evil down here, what he's doing to the darn thing, too. Amanda. That does have a long pipe on it, so maybe he is running a piston port class and not a Yamaha class. That would explain it. If it's not a Yamaha engine and he's on a longer pipe without the super, you know, new aerodynamic bodywork, that he'd be able to run, you know, with it. It's like an open runner with a stalker, right? Still cool to see the old bodywork out here, man, and it's not like vintage. It's that thing was getting it. That thing is loud. Denver had been running all the way around the outside of this black sealer out here because I'm telling you, it wasn't, well, it was about this hot the second day when we were out here testing, but it's just, I don't know, maybe it's just me. You could drive around some of it was impossible to get around. Maybe having a proper headrest, you know, is going to make the difference for us. You know, being able to see was part of the problem. Well, I think we're going to wrap up the old video, folks. I hope that middle video, the 20 minutes of video or so, turns out that's where all the action was at. But that's it from Grattan. We're done for the day. Harry's out, Chris is out. Looks like Jaron's going to make it to the end, but maybe we'll bring you back right at the end. See what happens. Love y'all. God bless. Take care. Enjoy the outdoors while you got the chance. Because I think the bad guys would like to shut us all right back down. Hang in there, folks.